Have you ever noticed how one sentence can completely change a relationship? One sentence can make someone feel loved for weeks. One harsh statement can stay in someone's heart for years. Relationships are not only shaped by actions, they are shaped by words. The way you speak to people, the way you respond when you're angry, the way you correct, encourage, joke, or communicate. All of these things slowly build the atmosphere of your relationships. And many people don't realize this until the damage has already been done. Hello guys, my name is Beauty and I am super excited to have you in today's video. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how words can shape relationships, why communication matters more than most people think, and how the things we say can either heal people or slowly push them away. If you've ever struggled with communication, misunderstandings, arguments, emotional distance, or feeling unheard in a relationship, then this video is for you. One of the biggest mistakes people make is saying, "I was joking, not that deep, you're too sensitive." But you forget, words carry weight. Words carry emotional memories. Most people will forget what you bought for them, the gift you gave them yesterday, but they rarely forget how you made them feel through your words. A relationship can slowly become unhealthy because of repeated negative communication, constant criticism, disrespect, sarcasm disguised as humor, insults during arguments, ignoring people's feelings. These things slowly damage trust and emotional safety. And the scary part is, these relationships don't end suddenly, they end gradually. Your words become the environment people experience around you. Ask yourself, what atmosphere do my words create? Do people feel safe talking to me? Do they feel valued? Do they constantly feel attacked, dismissed, or drained? Because communication is not only about talking, it's about the emotional effect your words leave behind. The truth is, anyone can speak nicely when things are good, but your real communication is revealed during conflict, disagreement, and frustration. Some people get extremely destructive with words when they are upset. They use words like, "you're useless, you never do anything right," and so on. And later they apologize by saying, "I didn't mean it." But sometimes apologies don't erase emotional wounds. And this is why emotional maturity matters in relationships. Being angry is normal, but using anger as an excuse to become verbally abusive is dangerous. You can communicate disappointment without destroying someone emotionally. You can correct people without humiliating them. You can express hurt without being cruel. And a lot of people are carrying emotional scars by words spoken by parents, friends, teachers, family members, because words have power. And that is why you must learn to pause before speaking emotionally. Not every thought deserves expression. Some words heal, some words break, some words stay in people's mind for years. So you need to be careful how you speak or what words you're using on people. Now let's talk about the positive side of words. Because just as words can destroy relationships, words can also build relationships. Encouragements are powerful. Sometimes people are fighting battles within, and just the words of encouragement could make the person feel better. Imagine someone hearing, "I'm proud of you. You're doing better than you think. I believe in you. Thank you for always trying." Simple words, but powerful impact. A healthy relationship is not only built on words, it is built on communication. People naturally go where they feel appreciated. Never underestimate the power of speaking life to people. Your words can become a place of healing for people. So let me fix something. A lot of people think communication means talking more. No. Good communication also includes listening, understanding, emotional awareness, timing, tone. Sometimes it's not what you said, but how you said it. One of the greatest gifts you can give someone is making them feel understood, not judged immediately, not interrupted constantly, not dismissed emotionally, just understood. Another important thing to note is repeated words shape a relationship. If someone constantly hears, "You disappoint me, you're difficult, you're lazy, you always fail," over time, those words start to affect how they see themselves. And this is especially important in families, friendships, and romantic relationships. Some people grow up in environments where negative words are normal, so now they communicate harshly without realizing the damage. But healing communication is intentional. You must consciously choose patience, kindness, gentleness, honesty, emotional control. Not every conversation needs shouting. Not every disagreement needs insults. Not every correction needs embarrassment. Sometimes the strongest people are the ones who know how to communicate with wisdom. At the end of the day, relationships are heavily shaped by communication. Words can strengthen love, build trust, deepen connections, encourage growth, or words can damage confidence, create distance, build resentment, and destroy emotional intimacy. And many people don't realize the power of their words until someone emotionally shuts down or walks away. Before speaking, ask yourself, will these words hurt or heal? Will they build or destroy? Will they bring peace or pain? Because words leave fingerprints on people's heart, and the way you speak to people matter more than you think. If this video spoke to you, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to someone who desperately needs to see it. And also let me know in the comment section one word you heard that positively changed your life. And remember, sometimes changing your relationships starts from changing the way you speak. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.